Okay, so what do you do with these alkynes? We saw how you can alkylate them, but what do we do actually with the pi bonds of alkynes? Well, a really common thing that we'll do is we'll do alkyne reductions. So you can take an alkyne, and just as you can treat an alkene with hydrogen and palladium on carbon and get rid of the pi bond, you can get rid of the pi bonds in an alkyne. So what we've done is we've done additions. We have two pi bonds, so we can add two equivalents of H2 to the carbon-carbon pi bonds. So this is a hydrogenation. We could also call it a reduction. Okay, now, so in total we can do these reductions, and they're very nice, and we can do alkylation. So how might we use these together? Let's say that we have some of this molecule on hand, but what we really want to do is gain access to a cyclohexane, not with an alkyne on it, but a longer chain. Well, you can see we already have two carbons attached to our cyclohexane, but what we really need are 5 more carbons. So what we could do is take this alkyne, it's a terminal alkyne, so we can deprotonate it with sodamide. That's going to form an acetylide. We're going to deprotonate that hydrogen, form a negative charge on that carbon, and use as an SN2 nucleophile, and will react with an alkyl halide that has 5 carbons. And as a result, two, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. And now we're very close to this compound up here. We just need to get rid of that triple bond. We know how to do that. Treat this with hydrogen and palladium on carbon. And normally you'd need excess. Sometimes people will write in excess. That means they have extra hydrogen in there. So we have to add 2 equivalents because we have 2 pi bonds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can make our cyclohexane with now a hexyl chain on the end. So this is a really nice way to make larger carbon containing molecules, because we can use this SN2 reaction of our acetylide and the halide, and then we can reduce away our triple bond just to a regular carbon-carbon single bond. So that is one common application for alkynes. There are more reactions of alkynes than just this, but this is all we'll cover in this particular course.